Hello, it's day 2 of the Sallie Tomato Co box. I'm Caitlin, the social media and content director at Sallie Tomato. Let's see what new Tranquil items await for us in today's bundle. Day 2. With this item, your next project will reflect the cool colors of the vast seas. Connect and share your creations with hashtag Sallie Tomato Co. This stunning bundle of fabrics is curated to inspire nautical bag making adventures. Today includes 1/3 yard of each Harbor Pebble faux leather, Harbor Legacy faux leather, and Alexandrite glitz. This mix of textures gives you a lot of options depending on the look that you want. We have a great free PDF download with our top tips for working with faux leather, so make sure you check it out. Here's a quick tip for you today. When choosing thread for your bag making project, specifically choosing between cotton and polyester thread, we recommend polyester. It is stronger and more durable than cotton thread for bag making. We can't wait to see how you use all of these transformative teal fabrics to make your next bag project. And we'd love to know in the comments, what would you make first with this? Something simple or a full bag made completely out of these gorgeous colors? We'd love to see your creations. Share your completed projects with us using the hashtags Sallie Tomato and Sallie Tomato Co on social media so we can admire your style and creativity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss the future videos. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you make with your Mariner's Compass supplies. Happy stitching, friends!